Hello everyone, my name is Tina and welcome to part 2 of our garden makeover on a budget. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I will attach a link for you so you can go check that one out. Basically, this garden has been abandoned for many years, but as we are just renting this house, we don't really want to invest much money in this garden, as obviously we don't know how long we will be living here. But at the same time, this is our home now and we would like to make it as comfortable and as enjoyable as possible. So stay tuned and let us know what you guys think of our garden makeover. So I've gathered all the big stones and I've put them together as best as I could to make this lovely path here. And at the end of it, I dug up all the soil, straightened it, and then I've put these bricks to kind of separate it from the area where we will be growing the grass. I took the bricks from over here where I will be straightening the soil as well, and I've added them here, and then we will be putting a shed in this spot. So we've put mud throughout all the cracks and we stumped it all there, and now we're ready to put in between these small rocks. We basically digged up the whole ground and straightened it, and we bought some more soil, topsoil, and added on top of that, which now we will just be raking and putting the grass seeds, and we will put a net over it. Let's do it.
You just throw it, all of it.
Yeah, just throw it and then we'll push them around. Why not? Cool. Alright, so it looks something like this. So we wanted to widen a little bit the path here, and then I was also adding some of the stones in between the cracks. Obviously there's still loads here to clean and tidy, a lot of weed and stuff, but for now we are literally focusing from here up to the other fence because we need to plant the grass, and until that grows then we will have time to deal with all of this. But for now we have this little path here, which basically we will be buying a shed and putting here, so leads up to there. And then here we did a little area where we can put a barbecue, and we did this little cute path. I'm still looking for rocks here so I can make here like a little fence, and then to level up all of this soil here. And we have already some plants which they will need tidying up, and then plant some more flowers, and then we need to give another final clean to this pond and fill it up with water. Yes. Right, so we started clearing all the weeds here, and we have this and that, still a few bits there to clean, and then I still have this side here, have some laundry out, and then this side over there, which I have some roses there, so I need to sort out which is the weed which is the actual flowers and trees. So we only bought about 4 bags I think of topsoil and some fertilizer, which we mixed with already the existing soil in the garden. So as you can see, we did our best to clean it, but there's still some bits in it. So my lamp came. So I bought from Wayfair a post lamp which has a solar panel on it. So we will be installing this. And that's easy, you just clicked. Don't know which side goes where, but I think maybe that.
Beautiful.
And then just melodramatic.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! We'll see tonight if it's working. No! So as you can see, the grass turned out really lush, really green. I absolutely love it. To be honest with you, we haven't been doing much else since then apart from enjoying our lovely garden. I have cut the grass twice since, and I've been trimming the trees like crazy because they are growing mad, and I feel like if I let them, they will overtake the whole garden again. This is the view from my window. I absolutely love it. And this is one of our little friends which has been visiting us. Since I've put up the curtain, it could see in the window, and I think it really wanted that candle, so I had to take it away, and then since then he stopped banging in the window. But yeah, our little friends have been coming really close to us. Feels like we have little pets. I think it's 4 of them. So yeah, this is our garden so far. If you have any recommendations what else we could do on a budget, please leave a comment down below. I'll be so happy to read your comments and take into considerations anything else that we could do. And if you'd like to see more videos, obviously subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video if you enjoyed it so far. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!